how to insert logo in Word document. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily insert a logo into your Microsoft Word document. First up, open your Microsoft Word document where you want to add the logo. If you're starting a new document, simply create a blank one. Now, what you need to do is simply place your cursor into the right place where you want your logo to be. Then click on insert and go to pictures. After that, here you can find the option to put the picture from wherever it is. I'm going to be choosing from this device, and simply locate where your picture or logo is. For this, I'm going to be choosing some random picture as a logo, and that's it. That's how you simply insert the logo. You can also resize this logo at whichever size you prefer. Also, you can place it wherever you like simply position the logo wherever you prefer by using the layout options. And that's it. That's how you simply insert a logo in a Word document. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.